Booking a model for any kind of photographic or video project is now an easy process that you can do online. With modelmanagement.com, you get access to over 1.5 million models worldwide that can be booked directly. Once you find the model you need, either through an online casting or the model search, go to her profile. Here, go to Reserve Model. In this page, you can see the portfolio, reviews and rating of the model. Select the dates you will do the session and click on Reserve Model. In here, you must check the options that fit the project. Choose the type of work you will do, the date, add a description, select if you require nudity, the location, and finally add the fee you will pay. The minimum payment to make a reservation is 40 euros, and modelmanagement.com will only charge you an additional 10%. Once your booking proposal is approved by our team and by the model, we will send you a notification so you can pay. As professionals, making an online booking guarantees that the model accepts the conditions and commits to the realization of the project. For this, each project includes a smart contract. In addition, it's you who decides how much you will pay the models, and the commissions for the service are the lowest on the market, only 10%. On the model side, they can be sure that the person who will hire them has a serious project, that the photos or videos will be used only for what has been agreed, and that they will get the payment after the shooting is done. This way, they will avoid to be scammed and will have always control of the projects they want to do. Book your models online with modelmanagement.com and focus only on the creative side. We take care of the talent.